Hi, and a very warm welcome to today's class. My name is Gaia. This is Merkaba, if you don't know already, and we are doing a 30-day evening Yin Yoga challenge. Just the perfect way to relax and let go at the end of the day. If you just stumbled upon this video, that is perfectly fine. You can do this on your own. However, if you want to join us for the full 30 days, I will link everything down below. We'll begin lying down on our backs. So just make your way onto your back in whichever way suits you best. Just settle against your mat. And then bring the right leg in, bending at the knee, and hug it close to your chest. You can grab yourself by the shin or behind the thigh. Work with what works for your body. And then if you want to increase the stretch, you can flex the left foot, and that is going to help your left hip flexor get a bit more of a stretch. Make sure that you're relaxed through your shoulders, that the back of the neck is nice and long, and we'll be here for around 2 more minutes or so. Begin to deepen your breath. Gently release your right foot to the mat, and then extend the leg long. To do the same on the other side, so bending into the left knee, bringing that leg close into the chest. You can hold yourself by the shin or behind your thigh. You can flex the right foot if you want to increase the stretch. And just make sure, again, that your shoulders are loose, relaxed, and that the back of your neck is nice and long. And settle into this pose for a few minutes more. breath, signaling to your body that we are about to move. And then gently release that left leg back to the mat. And this time bend into your right leg as well. We're going to move into a lovely reclined butterfly. So feet together, knees apart. And just let gravity do the work for you. No pulling, no forces. Just surrender. You can have your arms on your body, on your hips, belly, chest, or down by your side with the palms facing up. Choose whichever variation works best for you. And settle here for around 4 minutes or so. I will let you know when it's time to come out. Gently begin to return your awareness back into your body, and with the help of your hands, return your knees back so that they are facing the ceiling. Extend your legs long and let them flop to the sides. Let your palms face the ceiling. Arms are relaxed. You can have them as wide as you want them. And we'll close our practice with Savasana, integrating what we have done, allowing ourselves a few more regenerative and restorative moments here on our mats. So just allow yourself to settle against your mats. Connect with your breath, with the space you have created, and I will guide you back out when it's time. And very lovingly return your awareness back into your body. Take a deep inhale in through the nose and out through the mouth. Wiggle your fingers and toes. You can take a nice deep stretch if that serves you right now. And when you're ready, just roll onto one side and then use your arms to help yourself back up into a seat. Come into any seated position that works for you, whether it's easy seat, kneeling, maybe sitting on a block or a bolster. And place your palms together at the heart in Anjali Mudra. Close your eyes and just briefly reflect on your day. And as you reflect on your day, I want you to find one thing that you can be grateful for or proud of. One thing that you can celebrate or appreciate. And as you find that thing, really tap into the gratitude that you can feel for it. Breathe in those sensations. Allow the gratitude to flow over you and through you, infusing every single cell of your body. Thank you so much for practicing with me today, and I will see you tomorrow. Thank you.